Working with X-Plane Flight Simulator and need to install or troubleshoot a plugin? XPL Files extend the simulator's capabilities in powerful ways. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install and manage these X-Plane plugin files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure XPL formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. XPL files are plugin files for X-Plane, the professional-grade flight simulator developed by Laminar Research. They contain compiled native code that extends X-Plane's functionality with custom aircraft systems, weather engines, terrain features, ATC enhancements, and other simulation add-ons through the X-Plane SDK plugin interface. X-Plane XPL plugins are compiled shared library files in platform-specific binary format, Windows DLL macOS dylib Linux, so with the XPL extension. They implement the XPLM API callback functions for initialization flight loop drawing, and menu integration to extend the simulator's capabilities through the X-Plane plugin manager. If installed, your preferred program for XPL should be the X-Plane application by Laminar Research. The operating system flags this file type as risky without specialized handlers. Windows cannot decode plugin APIs, so understanding the file requires the correct software ecosystem. Your first step in isolating the problem. Right-click the XPL file and select Open with. If X-Plane is installed, use that. If not, try another option immediately. If your XPL file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, installing plugins. Copy the XPL plugin file and any accompanying data files to the X-Plane Resources Plugins directory or an aircraft-specific plugins folder. Each plugin should reside in its own subdirectory containing the platform-specific XPL file named Won't XPL, macXPL, or linXPL. Restart X-Plane to load the new plugin. Next, managing active plugins. Access the plugin admin panel within X-Plane through the plugins menu. The panel lists all loaded plugins with their status and provides enable-disable toggles. Disable problematic plugins without removing them from the directory if you experience simulator instability or conflicts between multiple plugins. Finally, troubleshooting plugin issues. If X-Plane crashes after installing a plugin, check the log.txt file in the X-Plane root directory for plugin error messages. Common issues include missing dependency libraries, version incompatibility, and conflicts with other plugins. Update the plugin to the latest version matching your X-Plane major version number. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.